here. See, yesterday we discussed about what order list. Actually, in the list there are three types: order list, and next what unordered list, and one more is what that is description list. Order list is what all the elements in the list should be in a one particular sequence, particular order. That may be numeric, that may be alphabet, maybe lowercase, uppercase, or maybe Roman. Like that, you can make a element in the particular order. That is what order list. And nested list is what within the order list you can put again one more order list, that is OL. Again within LI we can put OL LI, like that is what it is, nested list. And next one what we have in description list. So description list is what, again it is what every element it has its description. So first element we having and its description, second element and its description, so that we can create by using this particular list, description list. DL is what, description list, that's the main tag of description list. DL, it will be start. The first what we having first tag is what, that is DT. DT is what, the description title. So within description title, its description will be written through the what description detail. Through the what description details, we have to do it. That is what description details you can put as description details of a description title you have to put. So like that we have a, this is a hierarchy of a description list. DL, within the DL, DT, within the DT we have to put a DD. Like that you can put any number of element, and each element we have to put a DT and DD, like that. So block element, so block elements are the what, block tags are the what, the by default they will get to print the what in the next line. Okay. And next one more we have elements like a inline element. So inline element by default will not print in the next line. Explicitly if you want to print in the next line, we have to put a B, you can use a BR tag like that, and then you can print in the next line. But by default will not get as a it will not print in a next line. That's what we have a inline element. These are the example we have, that is block element, we have a paragraph, division, so many tags come under what block element. These are some example. Inline tag, span, anchor tag. So again it also having one many tags, so these are some example. Next one, division tag. Actually division tag is what it is like a, act like a container. Within this container you can put any number of tags, and for through division you can put some CSS property. You can locate that whole that particular container in a particular area, in a particular location in the web page through the word division only. So you can apply the common CSS property whichever element present in the division tag. So like that you can apply different of features by using one division. So now within this container you put different tag, that's what it is, container. So all you can combine the what you can combine the tags and apply the common CSS property by using division. That's very important. We have a make the what web page into you can different sections, different parts by using division. And division properties we can use, that is a width and margin. Not only these two property, you can use any number of what properties here. All CSS properties you can apply for this division tag through the what inline CSS, or you can use what internal CSS, you can use external CSS. Any CSS type you can use, and you can apply the different properties for the division tag. Now division in horizontal, you can put that division in a horizontal, or you can by default it's in vertical, but if you want to in horizontal, we have to put a we have to use this kind of a display property. Display should be inline block, or you can use as a flex, or you can use a grid. All these are the what you can make division in a horizontal. By default it is a vertical, but if you want to put in a horizontal column wise, you can put like that. That's what we have what this. Now here what we having, class attribute. So very important, that is class attribute. So here class is actually, there are two important attributes we can use within a tag. One is class, one more ID. Remember class and id both are the what we are giving a name to the what tag. How in a variables, so for data we are giving name by using variable. Suppose if I have the what I have what one particular uh, suppose I have one variable. I have one data like suppose example AI. So this is my data. So for this data I will give as a name what it is. I can use one variable, that is what a. Whenever you need this data, I have to refer the what this particular variable. That is how we are using variable in a different programming language to put to hold the what some data, and that data if you want access you have to use a variable name. Similarly here also what we having for tags. For tags you can access it, for tags you can refer it, you can by using what class name or a id name. Only difference is what the class can be multiple. The same class name you can provide to the many multiple tags, that is possible, but id should be each individual tag have a different ids. Okay, that's what one difference. And one more difference is what whenever you referring the class name, so we have to prefix with the what dot, then you can put its name. Similarly, and next one it is what id we have to use what hash with the prefix id name. Okay, and maximum this class attribute we are using for css property, and sometimes we use for the what js, but not 100%. It's what rare to use class name in a js, but id we use in a backend language, and in a, again we can use in the js code. Okay, so that is what we have. id is very important, and whenever you are applying some css property, then that time you can use a class name like that. Now and this class name you can put for any number of tags with the same name, that's possible, but the id should be unique for all the tags. That's what the it has one difference. And next one uh, that is this is what we discussed in the yesterday's class. And now we can go for the what next class here, today's. Okay, here what we have to discuss here, the next concept, that is okay. So IDs over next concept, that is iframe. Very important, iframe. See what is iframe. An HTML iframe is used to display the web page within the web page. That is what we have a iframe. So here this is how we have, this is what made web page. Within the web page I am displaying another web page. That is what we have a iframe. This is very important tag, and by using this iframe only even you can put a google map, google address in your web page. Okay, suppose if you having what contact us, suppose if I open one website here, see here, if I open this website, that is okay. If I click contact us, this is about and contact us. This is it is loading now. So there is what Google Map you can insert in your web page through the what iframe. Actually here we have added that it is loading, it will taking time. So here like that you can add what the different of web pages within your web page. Not only map, Google Map, even you can put what many things. Even you can open YouTube video. You can play your YouTube videos in your web page. That's possible through the what iframe. Okay, that's an important type. Iframe. Mainly definition of iframe is what within iframe. So by using iframe, you can put a web page within the web page. That is what we have a iframe. So here we'll go through this particular thing like this. Okay, so suppose I will put this one, we'll take new file. Okay, so we'll start HTML, we'll go for head and title. So this is what I can put iframe demo. That's the demo of this page. Next one, head I can close. So title I have to close, then head I can close it. Title. Okay, so after this next one can go for one body tag. Okay, so then I can put for this iframe and I will close body tag. I will close the one HTML. So then I will save this particular here, save as says iframe demo. Okay, so HTML type, the file type is what HTML. Save it. Okay, so here this is what we have, a tag name is what iframe, and within this tag we use what src, and title is an attribute. Src is what it is a that particular URL, that address we have to put here, and that particular URL will be opened in your this web page. This is what we have, a iframe demo.html. Within that page, this particular URL web page will be opened, and we can set one particular title to this particular iframe, and this is what we can close the what iframe. So now I will save it. I will go and execute this one. Iframe demo. Okay, see, still I not put any web address, so I can put my company address, that is this is what we have. Okay, I will put this here address, just paste it and save it. So open here and I will run this. See here, little bit of internet is slow. Okay, I will go for what Google. Okay, so I'll take this address and put in here. Save it and I will refresh this page. Refers to connect. Okay. Otherwise what I can do, see here, I will go for this one, class demo or division tag. This is division tag HTML. I can put here div tag dot HTML. So See here, this is web page. Study what we have, that page. Actually, I will run that page division tag. So this is what web page division tag.html. So this same page I opened in the this here, that is by using iframe. So HTML division example London, that is same thing we have here also. This is web page I opened within this. So this is possible by using what, iframe. Okay, so here, and even you can put like suppose I will go for Google Map. Google Map. Okay, so here I will go. See, suppose if you develop one project for your website for your organization, and end of in the contact us page we have to put actual address of the organization, and how you take that actual address through the what, this particular Google Map. So what I can do here, I will take okay. Take any one particular location. So this is what I have here. What I can do here, share, click the share, and here you will get what, embedded map. So click the what, embedded map. Okay, so take any particular location, and every location will get these options. Among these options, choose what, share, and here take what, embedded map, and here we will get what, that actual link of the what to put in a iframe. So I will take what, small only, and here I will use this only. I will take what, source, because already I have the what, iframe. So up to this I will take. This is what we have to copy the what, src. Same thing we have to paste here. Okay, right. So then already it is there for the what, these all property I will remove here, because next we will discuss that. This width and height I will remove. Only I pasted one, that's a only I paste what, src, that's the source, that's address I pasted. Okay, I will save this one, and I will go and execute this one here, this one. Okay, wait a second. Here again we have this one. Okay, save it. Got it. So like this you'll get what, that particular Google Map address here. So that is what we can put by using what, iframe tag. Very important this time, even your project also we are using this one. So just have to paste this particular src, and that particular Google Map will be visible here. Okay, see again what properties we have for a iframe. So you can set what, height and width of the what, this particular frame. So this is what frame we having here. I will close this one. This is what we have. This is iframe content. So this iframe content you can again give the height and size here. See what I can do here. Left. Okay. Here what I can do, here I can set what width. That's a width is what here. That's a attribute. So I can give what 200. That is by default. It's a pixel only. And next one height. Height 300. Save it. Okay. Now I will refresh this one. Here we have to wait for a second because that map, Google Map should open it here. The height and width is changed here, so I will give more number here, more size. That is width I can give what 500, and even height also I will give what 500. Okay, then see how it look. See, this is what increase load iframe. So this is 500 pixel is what width, and 500 pixel is what, that is width. So even you can zoom it this particular. So how Google Map will work, same will be worked here also. Okay, so like that. So you can use what iframe. So now see what the next property. So here what we having, height width you can set. Title is what, that is see, title is actually here. If I go here, whenever if I actually if I give the wrong particular wrong address here, that time I will get what, that title will be visible for that particular space. So this is wrong address I given. I will save and I will refresh it, and here see what is IP address could not be found, but what I given, that should display here. Actually the title will be displayed when you give a wrong particular address or URL. Okay, so this as it is I can use. Next property, that is what we have a height width is more, and even for by using style also you can provide. Okay, so this is height width, you can use a separate attribute, and even you can provide as a style is attribute, height is our property, put its value, width also you can put it. That is what you can both way which is possible by using style, by using separate attribute for a width and height. So even here actually you will getting one border here. So here you will getting one border. Okay, if you don't want to put a border, so that is what we have here, border none. Okay, so remove the border. So by using border you can remove that border. So here within the iframe only I can put the what style here. Style is attribute. Can anyone tell what type of this CSS is whenever you are using applying CSS property by using style is attribute? Tell anybody what type of CSS it is. Please, anyone tell me what type of CSS it is when you are using, when you are applying CSS through the word style is attribute.
Inline, sir.
Yes, good. That's inline CSS. Okay, so here what I can put here. So what I can put, border none. Okay, so border is a property, and I'll put what none. So border will not visible for the what, that frame. So like that you can apply the CSS. So you'll not get a border. Actually there is one border small, but that will be what, not visible now because border none is given. Okay, so now after this what we having CSS property. So even you can give what different of border. That's a 2 pixel of a thickness and the solid, and its color is what red. Like that we can provide what border format, 2 pixel of a thickness, solid border, that, and border type is what solid, and its color is what border color is what red. So like that we can provide for the border, like this will get appear. Okay. So next here, that is target for link. So here iframe can be used as the target frame for the link. Target attribute of the link must refer. See how it can utilize here by using target. Okay, this is what iframe. Then here see how it is done. Okay, see this is what we have a iframe, and this is what we have a anchor tag. If I click this anchor tag, see what is done here. See here, so within the anchor tag, what you given a link that will be displayed here within the what iframe. So now what I can do here, I will put what, that is division tag.html, division tag.html. So what it is actually, so whenever I click this anchor tag, so anchor tag, so within the anchor tag what we having, this page has to open, but this page has to be open in the way which target, this particular frame. So in this particular frame, this HTML page will be opened. So that's the meaning here. So if I refresh here, so initially you'll get a Google map, and here if I click here, for this anchor tag I given a page link is what, that's a div tag.html. If I click here, that div tag HTML will be opened here. Wait a second, div tag.html. Wait a second, here so here so what I can do here, this is I will give a name for another first page.html. So here first page.html. Okay, so here first page.html will be opened in the where within the what iframe. If I click here, so that time we'll get a div tag.html will be opened within the iframe. So like this we can use here. So if I click here, so here what will be open? Div tag.html open. How it is? Because of what here I given target is what? Target is attribute within the anchor tag we can use. So that what HTML page we are opening, what URL we are opening, that's maybe absolute or relative, that should be opened in the where this particular target. And target what I given here, name of the iframe. So name of the iframe is what I given here, name is what, that is iframe a underscore a. And within this will be directly what, it will be indirect here, and within this src what will be opened, div tag.html will be opened like that. That's what we have a one property, that is target. You can make it as what, that is frame. That is what we have here. So here what we learned actually in a iframe is what, you can open any web page within web page. Okay, so under this what we studied, first thing is what, that is source, and next one what we having, that is width, and next one height. Okay, and next one even you can apply the style here. Within the style you can put what, border. Okay, that is also possible. And after this what we studied, next one important is what, target as what, target as iframe by using anchor tag, okay. This is what we studied. Now can move for next one. Here what we having, and this is all come under what, iframe. Okay, so this is very important. Iframe maximum we can use for to put the what, YouTube videos or any Google map from outside the what we having URL that we want to you want to display in your project in your web page, and that time you can use what, iframe is very suitable tag to get any web page within your particular within your web page. That's what we have a iframe. Okay, so JavaScript we'll go for this as separate chapter here, that separate subject it is, you can go that time. Next one, file path. Okay, this is what we have here. So file path is what it actually here if your HTML page or maybe image is present in a folder, how you can give that as a what path here, that how to study, that is what file path. Okay, so here what we having, first thing is what, so here src you can whichever tag is what applicable src, there we can properly mention the what, this this particular file path. The first thing is what, if your file that HTML page, and it's which file you are redirecting, that may be image, that may be what, any HTML page, so that directly you can provide it. Okay, so and directly you can provide it. Suppose if that particular image is present in one image folder, then you can use this images, that folder name, and then / you can use, then you can put that image name and its extension. Okay, similarly, and the file is located in the images folder at the root current web. So here means again this image folder is present in the another folder, and within that folder only I have what, this particular web page. That time you can use what, this again one more / understand this one. This is how. And suppose that image is present in a previous in a one directory before. Okay, that time we can use what, two dot. Two dot means what, it will go for back. Okay, it will go for a one folder back, then you'll get that image like that. So that is what we have a two dot. Remember, so two dot is what, it will go for one folder back. Okay, suppose if I give again forward slash, again forward slash, again dot dot, it will go again what, two folder back. Like that we can use it two dot as a what, uh, for the what, this one, it will go for a two folder back. That's what dot dot. So the thing is what I can write important is what, you can view this all. Okay, next one, what we having, dot. Two dot is one folder back. It is one folder back. Okay, and if you are using like this, here dot 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 dot, it will go for what, two folder back, two directory back, like that. So that is what we have. Two dot is very important. Okay, so next one here, that is what we having a different of a file path, that is external files. Maybe that the file should maybe what, web page dot html or dot css dot like dot php dot py. So any kind of any programming language dot web pages. And next one, images, any type of images. Okay, and the style sheet is what, it's a dot css. And next one is what, dot javascript is what, dot js. Okay, so here it is. So this is what we already we discussed about absolute file path. Absolute is what, those all address are from internet. Okay, from the what, particular cloud. Okay, in that web page, that link directly we are providing. That's what absolute file path. So what it is, inside this we have, that is absolute file path. And more what we having, that is relative. Relative is what, that file present in your particular local system. That's what relative file path. These are the two important path in the web page. You can provide any type of path that may be what, absolute or maybe relative. Okay, like that. Next thing is what, this is what it is. So they are same, they are given example here. Okay, so this is what file path, but already we discussed this one, absolute and relative path. So next one is what, head. So here head tag is very important. Within a head we can put the what, it is, we can put a title, you can set a title to the web page, you can put a css code, you can put the what, some meta code, we can put what, external css, external js also you can put, even you can put internal javascript code. And there is a base. This is all you can put within a head tag. Okay, so that is very important tag. Third one, that is head tag. Heading tags is different. That one, h1, h2, h3, h4, h5, h6, those are the only text formatting within the web page you can use. But this head tag is different. Okay, this is where we have this will be present within here. After HTML we'll get this head as a tag here. So here uh, that is head type. And so within this, what we can put here, different of tags here, uh, that is head element container for metadata, data about data is placed between the HTML. So actually this head is actually called as what, container for a metadata. So it is its own container. It contains what, collection of what, tags. Okay, so and what it is, metadata. It will tell the what, information about your web page. So we set the word title by using title tag. So it will tell the what, your web page title. Even it will tell the what CSS properties you are adding your page. That head will be tell what JS code you are applying for your web page. So all these metadata is about what, your web page. It is a data about what, your web page. That's what will be present within the head. That's a container of a metadata. Now here what we having, that is 1% is left, I think 2%, I think 2% are left. Okay, here Ganesh, Hamsa, Harshita, Mahadev, Nisarga, Ritika, Srishti, Tejas. Okay, next one what we having, first tag within the head is what, title. Already we discussed this tag. Title is what, we can put a title to the what, this is how we getting title to the web page. This is a web page. For this web page I given title is what, division tag. Okay, so that is how we can put it by using what, this one. That is what we having, this title is a tag. Okay, so this, for this web page I given what, iframe demo. So same will be visible here. This is iframe. So here we will have that one. See, iframe demo. Okay, so like that you can set the what, title of the web page by using title tag. And next one, like this we can apply. And then what we having, next style. So first thing is what, we can put a title, put a title tag. Then you can put what, that is style. So style is what, that is you can apply CSS, internal CSS you can apply. So this is for the what, set a title to the web page, title to web page. Okay, and this is what we having, style. Already we discussed this one, style. It is what, apply CSS property, CSS property, apply CSS property. Okay, by using this style is a type. Okay, so next what we having, see, same yesterday we discussed this one. Okay, style we have to use, and within that we can put any properties. Okay, like that. Next one what we have, very important, link. Okay, so by using link, you can provide the what, external file within the what, web page. So that is what we have, a link. Here the link, we have what, relation is attribute. Relation is what type of that file, is it style sheet, is it JS code. Like that you can provide the what, the type of the file, and that actual file name you can provide by using href. See how I can apply here. So I'll take an example. This is what I have, the what, iframe, same example. And what I can give here, I will give what, size what, 300. Okay, now see what I can do here. For this iframe I will give one class here. I will give one class. Okay, what I can give here, that is iframe demo. The class name I given iframe demo. Okay, so now what I can do, I will give some CSS property. See, for this, here actually this page is what like this. Okay, here, like this. It has one border color, so I'll remove that border color. Actually, I given that border color here, style, where it is this one. This I will remove. Okay, I remove the CSS. Now we can see what it is. Okay, so as usual, what we have in normal default, what will get a same thing we got. This is what we have iframe. This is what we have anchor tag. Now what I can do here, see, I will write some CSS property through the external CSS. I will open here new file, and here I will write a CSS code for this is what external CSS actually. See, for this iframe, for this frame I given for this iframe tag I given what name, iframe demo. That's a class name. So whenever you are accessing any tag through the class, we have to use a dot. So what is the name of that class? That's a iframe. So open it, and next is what we have to apply the CSS properties. What property I can use? Border colon, that is 1 pixel. Okay, and next is solid, that's the thickness of that border of iframe, and I can give what, green color I can give what, green semicolon. So now what next you can put it, even you can set a width here. Width already I given there. Just I can put one property for a iframe. So next for anchor tag, see there is what we have, again we have a different tag, that's a paragraph tag. So for paragraph tag I will apply the CSS p, open it, and I will apply the what, color, font color, that is I will go forward red. Okay, and even for font size I will give what, that is 20 pixel. Close it. This is what CSS property, and I return in a one separate file, and for this file I will write I will save this file as what, .css. See, I will give a name of this file is what I can give, that is iframe demo.html. That's HTML page. Now this is what, CSS. Just I given name is what, iframe demo CSS, but extension should be what, CSS. That is cascading style sheet. So take this cascading style sheet, how to take, save it. So this is what I created on external CSS. This is CSS property I put in a separate file actually, and now, and from whom I return this one, for this page I returned, but still I not included. Now I have to include it by using link is a tag. Okay, so now link, see, if I execute this one, you will not get any that particular, see, as usual we having, there is no any border colors what red, and there is no font color like a green. Okay, green color we given what, that is a for border color. Still it is not affected. Okay, so iframe border color is what, green, and for paragraph color font color is red and 20 pixel. Still it is not applied here. Border color by default what it is, and text of this anchor is as it is only. But now we have to put a link here. Until you give a link, it will not apply. So how we can put here, because this CSS property we written in a separate file, but interpreter will not understand which file you written. That's why we have to give that particular file path, so that it will be access that code, and then we will apply CSS property for this particular tag. That's what external CSS. So what I can do here, by using link, and that is relation, that rel is what, relation type. What type relation it is? It is style sheet. If you having style sheet, style sheet. And if you having that is in a css file, when you want to include in the web page, we have to use a relation type is your style sheet. When if you having javascript, write a script like that having one type of a relation. So and here we have to use src, that file link we have to provide. Actually this iframe demo css and iframe demo.html both are present in a same folder here. That is I this is a css file, and this is a CS file, and this is what we have a HTML, both having the same folder. No need of giving any folder name, directly you can specify that file name here. What file name here? iframe demo css, that's a file name. Extension is what? .css. And I will close here. Here just taken. Actually this is what href, you have to take href, that's a hyperlink reference, href, and close it. Okay, so I will save it and see now reflection. So this is normally, and if I refresh it, see font size also changed, and here what we having, so border color also will got green here. So if I change here, what I can give here, I can give what 4 pixel border thickness, so then you understand the changes. So this is what changes is applying. Okay, so here it is not applied font color actually. Why it is? Because by default anchor tag it has what blue only. That's why what has to do here, one more text I can type here within the paragraph tag and save it, and see here how it will be done. So this is for this particular text, the color is what? Red, because I given that red in the way in a CSS file. It is color paragraph tag color, font color is red and font size is 20 pixel, like that. So this is CSS property we applied for this web page. How it is? By using what? This external CSS file, and we included that external CSS by using what? This link is a tag. Okay, everyone got? Everyone got how it is work? So here there are two important things you learn: link tag and also what? That's external CSS. Inline CSS we know by CSS properties we return through our style is attribute. Internal CSS is what? We return CSS property within the style tag, and the next external CSS is what? External file, within the external file we writing the what? CSS properties, and that we have to include in our web page through the what? Link is a tag. So these are the two important things within the what? This. So here what I can write, third one, that is link. So here include any file like a CSS file, external like external CSS file, or maybe JS file, like this. Okay, this is what we have through the link tag. Even we got an function about what? External CSS, and here what we having, wait a second, I will pause this.